everybody, welcome back to another episode of Book a Lunch Date. So today we're making something super easy and very versatile. So you can basically add anything that you want. It's an omelet. Yeah, omelet is super easy, and this time I'm making it a little bit different from how omelet would usually be made. I am actually baking it. So stay and watch. Let me go over the ingredients. So we're adding some sausage, and I'll be adding like a little bit of onion and a special ingredient. It's my Thai basil. You can use other basils, and again, it's an omelet. Omelet is really like you can add whatever you want. You can add in like the colored pepper, the yellow pepper or green pepper that you like, or even avocados, tomatoes, anything you like. These are just the ingredients that I personally like, but you can definitely add in other ingredients as you wish. All right, let's get started. Start prepping our meal, our ingredients. We need to preheat the oven to around 350 degrees, and then so we can preheat it so you'll be ready when I'm ready to put our omelet into the oven. We're gonna start cutting. So I have two sausages here. I'm just going to cut it in a ring. This is a super easy dish that you can make on a busy day, weekends, and stuff like that. And it takes really no time to make it. So I'm just going to lay it on the bottom. Because sausage is more greasy, so this will basically make it non-stick. Right. Just going to add in half of an onion. You can use other ingredients, as I said. If you want to add in other stuff, totally fine. But I want to add a little onion to it. It's like that flavor, and onion can be quite sweet, so it probably will go really well with it. And then we're going to mince our Thai basil. My Thai basil is growing so big to a point that I really need to use some of it. That's the reason why I'm using it, and of course you don't have to, right? I'm going to mince it just because it will release more flavor that way, and second of all, it will be more even when we pour the egg in there. If you want to use regular basil, that would be totally fine too. But I love the flavor of Thai basil. I feel like that's a perfect, that's one of my favorite herb, Thai basil. Alright, it's good enough. You guys are so tiny. Let's just put you in. And just not chopping it. Okay, very good. Push this aside. Let's just crack some eggs. Just add a little seasoning, pepper, and salt. I'll also add just a little bit of olive oil or whichever cooking oil you prefer to make it extra non-stick. But you don't need to add a lot. Right, and just pour it in. I'm gonna give it a little shake, make sure everything is even, and we're ready. Let's put it in the oven. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Alright, that's timer for about 15 minutes, and we'll see you then. Ready? Let's take a look. Ooh, looks amazing. Alright, so just take a little. Should be fairly easy to remove since we have sausage on the bottom, so it's pretty greasy. So grab a plate. Ah, sorry, it fell apart. No. Alright. Alright. This side got stuck. Ready? Let me see if I can salvage this. Huh. Nope. Okay. Oh, this side looks nice. And this side, we'll just leave it at that. Alright. So this is a omelet that you don't really need to flip. I know it's not pretty, but if you only look at this side, it still looks fine. And it's really easy. You just dump everything in a baking pan and then just put it in the oven. And for about 15 to 20 minutes, depends on how big, how much you have. Or just until everything is, everything is cooked. Okay? Let's try the first bite. I love the aroma of Thai basil. It really releases to the whole egg. Even if I'm not actually eating it, you can still taste it. It's amazing. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.